Now let us move ahead and understand the next concept, that is NSE and BSE. NSE is National Stock Exchange. BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange. In this, the old one is Bombay Stock Exchange. These two, the functions of these two are, it acts like a marketplace. Suppose you go to a market, you will get vegetable market in one place, fruits market in another place. Likewise, there are flower market as well. So, likewise, you will get stocks in this NSE and BSE, commodities, gold. So you can trade in everything at this place. Options market is there, futures market is there. So likewise, it is a marketplace and you can trade in any of the two exchanges. The shares are usually bought and sold in these two, NSE and BSE. So you can see one of the company lists in only NSE, another company lists only in BSE. So it can happen. This is another scenario. There is another scenario where one company lists in both NSE and BSE. This you can see across. Okay. Now let's look at index. Indexes are, there are few kinds of indexes where, suppose you want to buy one company share. Okay. Likewise, there are many companies in the same sector. So Nifty 50 is one of the kind of index where you will get 50 listed companies of India, which is top performing and which is financially sound. These are the 50 companies that you will find in only in NSE. So in this, you can buy the index altogether. If you are planning to invest at 50 companies in one shot, you can buy Nifty 50. When these companies are performing well, the market will go up and you can make profits. Likewise, there is Sensex. Sensex will only be available in BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. These are 30 financially sound and well established companies that you can buy at one time. Likewise, there are sector-wise indexes as well. Suppose you want to buy banking shares. So if you are planning, you know the news that the banking share will perform well. So you don't want to just buy one stock of HDFC or Axis Bank or any of the banks like that. You want to buy entire sector. So Bank Nifty is one such thing where you will buy entire stocks of banks in one place. Likewise, there is PSU, small sector units, where you can buy all the small sector units in one Nifty PSU index. Likewise, there is Nifty Auto. Suppose you might know Maruti automobiles are there, Mahindra and Mahindra are there, Tata Motors are there. These are all sound companies who do well in their performance wise. So you want to buy such shares in one place. So you can buy Nifty Auto in one time and you will get some good. Another kind is Nifty Power. Right now, the most important thing is power units like Adani Power, Reliance Power, or Tata Power. These are well reputed companies that are listed in this one particular index. If you're buying this index, you're buying all the company shares at one place. That is how it works.